Hi, it's Sam, aka LymphomaLass here, and today I just wanted to share with you this lovely little travelling portable watercolour palette tin I've bought from Northwich Art Shop. How it works is you buy separately, or you already have some of these little half pans, and the set will fit, or the tin will fit 12 of them. So I've already filled some, but first, before you fill them, what you have to do is you get given a strip of sticky magnetic, which you then chop a bit off, like that. So I've chopped a bit off with just a pair of normal scissors, and you let me see if I can get close enough. You peel the paper off, and you put that on your half pan, so you've got it on the back, and it then sticks to your tin. And then you add your watercolour. So I use Daniel Smith tubes of watercolour from Northwich Art Shop. This one's Deep Scarlet, and this is a great way of saving paint, because you only need to, if you're using a palette, you can squirt out however much you want, and it just sits there in between times you paint and dries out. And this is the principle behind this box, because you can, before you go away to sketch outside or on holiday or at the zoo or wherever, you can add your paint, put it in your tin, and it's then securely in your tin. And what I've done is I've just added a piece of fairly cheap watercolour paper as a tester. So there we go, I've got it all ready with the colour diluted, because when you get to ones like one of my favourites, Moonglow and Imperial Purple, unless you've actually taken a tester, it's quite difficult to see which ones they are. Anyway, that was all I wanted to mention. Bye for now.